Hello guys. Today we are going to stack this speed stack as taller as ever. Okay, so let's begin. Here's my sister to video, and I made it. First, be careful. It's done! And this is what it looks like. Very tall. Very tall. There you have it, folks. So, yeah.
It's tall, remember?
It is taller than my sister.
Yeah, no!
Oh, my sister is taller from 1 inch. So, break it! Oh. Ouch, 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 ouch. Well guys, it's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment. Bye!